What's going on, guys? So we still don't have a Mauricio back yet.
Hello, fuckers.
Look at this guy.
I feel a lot better. I thought I was gonna die from COVID. Dude, that shit was whack. Like,
Yo, let me show you something.
woo!
Let me show you something. You want
We're
to
gonna You're gonna show me. Alright, so Nelson was like, yo, I got a surprise for you. Like a little, I don't know, but now he's gonna show me right now. Is that a Supra?
Yeah, Supra?
Damn, bro, whose is this? You just bought it?
Hell yeah.
What the f? Yo, hold up. This shit looks clean as f though.
It's a whole fucking BMW, yo.
Damn, so you're gonna be working on this?
Hell no.
You're gonna be lowering this shit?
Hell no. This is my stepdad's.
Oh, it's Juan's?
Yeah.
Juan's? Juan got a Supra?
Oh yeah, yellow too, bro.
Wait, so... Oh, so these are the 3 cars in the garage now?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, what a lineup. Yo, this house looks crazy right now. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom,
They haven't seen
boom,
this car
boom.
either. They haven't seen it.
Oh, yeah, we gotta show you guys this too. Look at this man.
Oh, he's eating.
Smiling, laughing and shit. What the hell? But yeah, a lot of things have happened.
Show him your new wheel setup.
Oh, that's not my new wheel setup. So guys, two of my tires were leaking with the other wheels. So now I'm using Jocelyn's wheels. I mean, they don't look too bad, but you know, my wheels popped. They popped. So, I mean, dude, I was on my way over here and look, like 3 birds shit on my car. That's crazy, bruh. But damn, Supra, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. So, we haven't came out with any merch in a long time. This is the shirt that's coming out. First time in a long time. Turn it around, let's see the black. Damn, my voice cracking. Alright, so look at this. You got an RX-7, that's my favorite car. Got some Workmeisters, because that's his wheels.
See what says around it? Yeah, he washed this thing a lot already.
Scumbags. This was just the sample one. They ain't gonna come off like that, don't worry. But so yeah guys, today we are going to be doing my fuel pump. We're getting ready for E85. I'm gonna run straight E85 because I don't want to do all that mixing and all that junk. I mean, my tuner said it's not gonna add that much more horsepower, but it's gonna be more convenient for me. I still gotta get the flex fuel kit, and my other fuel pump is coming in. But today we're gonna install the rear. Look at this cutie right here. Talking to all the ladies. Or are you talking to the gentlemen? Are you trying to order some food? Ooh! I heard that jump. Damn! Okay, everybody. Alright, so we had to go to the store and get this because they said we're gonna have to cut something. I don't know what we're gonna cut, but Nelson knows.
Yeah. We already did it on
the fuel pump.
We haven't told it on this car already.
We did it on this car already. He did it when I had COVID, so it didn't get recorded or anything. No. But we're gonna do mine, and let's get started. I don't know why, but I don't know how, but it got dirty underneath. What the? There's an ant.
Go ahead. What you gotta do first?
Well, this isn't this isn't an install video, but you know, we'll go step by step. But first, you gotta take these off. Scared. Spiders and shit up in here, boy. Oh my gosh.
Then you gotta remove those little bolts right there. They're like 10 mils.
Baby. You know what I'm saying? Damn, we got acorns up in this bitch. Look at this.
Damn.
We got a squirrel living up in this jump. Yo, how the hell do we have? How do I have acorns in here? What?
Dude, watch. Look at you. I'm about to lose all the.
What the heck? Nah, bruh. How do you get full acorns in there, dude? How? Like where? Where does that? Oh, down here. Oh my goodness.
What, you guys have a squirrel?
What if there's a squirrel in here, dude?
Well, that shit about to attack you.
If I see a damn squirrel right now, bro.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna kick that motherfucker. Don't piss on me, please.
Oh!
Ooh.
It pissed.
Hooker.
It pissed.
I made my bitch squirt. Saw that? Oh! You got on my seats. Nah, bro.
Clean it off because that's gonna...
Gimme.
Clean it.
Shut up, ho.
Because then it's gonna make the color mess up. It's gas. Oi.
What's holding it back?
That rubber piece I told you.
Oh, I know what it is. It's the rubber piece.
I just told you that, you stupid dick twat.
Yo, this shit stinks, bruh. Woo! Get some fresh air.
I can't fight vodka.
Okay. You don't got a bucket?
Hell no.
What?
Alright.
How you gonna let this thing drip like this?
What are you talking about? We'll be back, guys. We're gonna go handle our business.
Alright, so we got it out.
We got all the gas out.
Yes, sir.
Put in a little container, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
So now this little clip, we have to just find a way how to take it out. Hold on.
Don't move, don't. Ooh.
Ooh. Let's not lose that because we need that. Then we disconnect these wires. See this joint right here?
Mm-hmm. I see that.
Disconnect it.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
Damn. I don't remember it being that hard on.
Wow.
Alright, so we got it out just like that, right?
Okay.
Alright, now all we gotta do is pull up.
So pull up.
Bring the spring out.
Okay.
Damn it.
And you do a little bidi bamba, and then it's out. Pretty good?
Very good. Alright, all we gotta do now. So we took this piece off, right?
Yes, sir.
You got the clips right here. Boom, boom, bada bang, bada bang.
Boom, bada bang, bang, bang.
So all you gotta do now is grab, push right here. Boom, comes out.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that chode.
Oh.
Look at that chode.
Okay.
Damn.
Wow, so aggressive.
You know, that's how I like it.
Gosh.
Damn.
Jeez. Woo.
That's how it is. Compare it. Look, compare this. So much bigger.
Wow. All right, so now we cut this off.
Yeah, we cut that off.
So you don't need this anymore.
We don't need this.
Because it comes with
The new filter.
yes, sir. Let's go, baby. All you need is this.
Yeah, so it can go right in here, right into this. Goes right into that.
Very good.
Very good, very nice. All right, we got it in.
Hell yeah, baby. You know what's good. You know what's good with this, you know what I'm saying? I'm hoping my car, I don't know.
I hope it's good.
Because every time I put a full tank, my car, like my dam, goes down for some reason. I don't know why. So, it could be just the tune, but hopefully everything is good. Do it again.
How loud that shit is?
Okay, so now we're gonna go on for a test drive. When I turn the car on, it's pretty loud, but it's cool. It's cool, right? It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. See, guys, this is what I was talking about. Look at my dam, 0.688. That's not good. It's very, very not good.
I need a tune.
Yeah, so that's why I'm getting the fuel pump. I'm still waiting for the other fuel pump, so then I can get my tune. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Woohoo! You know what's good?
What? That's good? It's good?
I guess.
Wow.
I guess, you know. Hopefully it stays good.
Yeah, hopefully.
I just can't wait until we can run that corn, you know?
Elote.
You know what I'm saying? Elote!
What
What the fucker? Elote, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, bro.
the fuck is going on?
I don't know.
I think it's...
Okay guys, so everything was going smooth, right? And then we broke down in the middle of the highway, right over there. We had to push the car all the way over here. but the car's not starting. I'll show you guys. Not starting. We're stuck here now, and it's hot as. Hey, this is the first video that we like
break down.
That we break down.
Yeah, first one.
That we don't complete the task.
Yep.
I mean, we learn from our mistakes, right? These people are probably like, "You're idiots. You're so idiot." The Supra is coming to save me. Woohoo! So Nelson's gonna go with Juan to go pick up the old fuel pump. I'm hoping that we can fix it because we cut off the filter on the other fuel pump. So now I'm like, damn, what do I do now? So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Guys, I just saw my old Civic. I wish I would have got it on camera, but yeah, I saw the guy driving it and I was like, damn. So if you guys remember the thing that we cut,
snap! Yeah, we didn't show them
the filter.
Just show them like a little clip of it.
Yeah, the thing that we cut.
It
wasn't holding the this one part. This one part that we needed wasn't holding it, and that part was just chilling in there, like it was off. So we're hoping that when we put this back in, it will start working. Hopefully. All right, yo, we're gonna see if it works.
Make sure you pump it.
Yeah. Start it?
Start it. Go ahead.
Start it.
Come on. Woo! You know what's good, boy.
Hey, we thought we failed for the first time.
I know we did it. We don't fail out here.
Oh my gosh, it's hot too, man. It's crazy out here. Feel me? New York, fucker. All right, guys. So I did a few pulls. Everything seems fine. I put some gas. We're driving a little bit, and it seems good. Look at Nelson. I just gapped them. All right, so we made it back to the house, finally, and everything seems fine. Just got to put the seat back and tighten that up. But that was.
At least we found what it was.
Dude, that was so trash, bruh. That was so trash. I was like, dang, man.
That was our first time that like something like that happening.
Yeah,
That
first
situation.
time. Wow.
We had our new Supra to
Yeah.
come save us.
We had the Supra. I was like, damn. But I'm so glad that it's fixed. I was doing a pull. It wasn't even letting me go past like 4,000 RPMs. And I was like, what the hell, dude? I was like, it's breaking in. I was like, it's breaking in.
And then we were still recording though.
And then at the light, I was like, damn.
And then we got people honking like, bitch.
Yeah.
We got the freaking emergency lights on.
I know. I was like, what the hell? Do they work? It should work. I don't know.
Give a thumbs up. You guys are happy to see Mauricio back.
Finally.
He was gone forever.
Yeah, finally.
We had like what 2 or 3 videos without him.
Yep.
We did everything to that car.
But
and it's finally done tuning the STI.
Oh yeah. We're gonna get my reaction because I haven't even
rode in it.
Yeah. This is the end of the video. Go shop for this shirt. Like, subscribe. We're about to hit. We're gonna do a giveaway. That COVID messed me up, so we are doing a giveaway.
Yeah,
don't think
do that.
Yeah, don't think we're gonna forget about that. But we're probably gonna give away this shirt to like what, 2-3 people.
Yeah, maybe a hoodie too. Who knows?
Maybe a hoodie. We have a hoodie too, but I don't think it's gonna be on the website. So whoever gets that giveaway, you're the only one that's gonna have it.
Yes,
so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace.